Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more makeup, hair, and business videos. So let's jump right into this video. Today I got my first wholesale lip gloss order. Basically, I don't know why I ran out of words, but yeah, this girl ordered 60 lip glosses from me from my nude collection, and I am washing all of the lip glosses because I want it to be clean and sanitary. So now I just gotta clean my table. I'm using Lysol disinfecting spray, and then I think I'm gonna use wipes, antibacterial wipes, and then some 91% alcohol just to clean the table and have it very sanitary. There's spots on the table. It's like under the table, it's not even on top, so those spots, don't mind them, they're like under the table. I don't know how they got there, but yeah. So we got to put our gloves on. So now I'm just putting my gloves on, and then I am going to go ahead and start making the lip glosses. So the way I like to do it is I like to make one big batch of clear lip gloss, so my basic chick clear lip gloss, and then separate it and add the colors in. That's just the way I like to do it. So I'm gonna use my No Problema lip gloss base from my previous video. Go ahead and check it out. I found a new lip gloss vendor that's not TKB Trading. If you want to know where I got it, just go ahead and check it out. The link would be right in the description and in the eye. You guys, I don't know why I thought having a 5.5 ounce lip gloss base bag could make 60 lip glosses. Like, I don't know how I thought that, so I had to go ahead and order way more lip gloss base. So I ordered a 12 ounce or 12 pound, I forget, but I ordered the next size up. So yeah, I had to wait a couple of days to get that second batch over with. But right now I'm just mixing in the lip gloss base and the oils. I use coconut oil and sweet almond oil. If you have nut allergies, just let me know in the comments or in the description, or when you message me if you want lip gloss from me, so I can just use a different oil on your specific lip gloss. But yeah, I'm just mixing it right now, and the consistency of this lip gloss, yo, you're gonna see it in like 0.5 seconds. So now I'm just gonna make my Barbie pink lip gloss. I like to mix in the liquid concentrate before putting in the lip gloss base, just because it's a little easier to mix. I don't know why, but if you do it the other way around, it'll take you twice as long to mix it in. So now I'm just adding the clear lip gloss. Check out that consistency, yo. Like, this is not even slow motion, and it looks so good. Like, period. But whatever, I'm hyping myself up. Let me stop. But yeah, I'm just mixing the lip gloss. See how it mixes way faster. So yeah. So in this clip, I just put the lip gloss inside the syringe, and I like to use Dunkin' straws when I do my when I fill my lip gloss tubes, just because the Dunkin' straws already come wrapped up, and I prefer it that way instead of using the syringes. Not the syringes, the pipettes, because then you're gonna have to clean the pipettes every time you're gonna use it and everything, and that one's already wrapped and sanitized, so that's why I just prefer using the Dunkin' straws. Now I'm just filling the lip glosses. I'm going to show you guys right now how I fill the lip glosses and everything. It's really satisfying. I love filling lip gloss tubes. I don't know, I just love it because it's so satisfying. But yeah, this is Barbie Pink. Go ahead and shop All Things Rosmetics. Links will be in the description down below. So now it's time for the packaging. I got these little papers from the dollar store, and then I got that from CVS from their Easter like whatever, like they were discontinuing them, so I just got those little stringy whatever. So she ordered 15 of 4 colors, which totals to 60. So I'm just putting them in order. I'm putting Barbie Pink, Pink Potion, Melanin Nude, and Dark Cocoa all in the box. And I gotta figure out a better packaging situation for my wholesale, just because shipping that cost me so much money, so much useless money. Like, not useless money, but like it costs way more than it's supposed to. But I have to figure out a new packaging, like cheaper packaging process. If you guys know any cheaper packaging, just let me know in the comments, just because I don't want to be paying all that again just to ship lip glosses, because it's not really whatever. But yeah, I just gave her extra samples, some lip balm samples and another lip gloss and my business card, and I wrapped it up, closed it, added the packaging, and that was it for the video, guys. I really hope you like it. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.